This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in with an account that can change MFA. This is typically the root account or an IAM admin. Once signed in, identify whether the user's MFA is virtual or hardware because the removal steps differ slightly. Now go straight to the AWS console, open IAM, then Users, and select the target user. Make sure you land on Security Credentials. This is where you can see assigned MFA devices and begin the deactivation process. Once on the user's Security Credentials page, choose Manage under Assigned MFA Device and click Deactivate or Remove. Confirm when prompted. If you prefer automation, use the AWS CLI. Run OS-EM Deactivate MFA Device, username user serial number serial to detach the device, then optionally run OS-EM Delete Virtual MFA Device to remove the virtual device record. Make sure the serial number matches what appears in the console. After deactivation, double-check the user no longer shows an active MFA device. After removing MFA, immediately test logging in as the affected user to verify the MFA prompt is gone. This prevents surprises. Once confirmed, rotate any access keys and update sessions or automation that relied on MFA. Make sure policies referencing MFA conditions are adjusted. If something goes wrong and you lock yourself out, use the root account or contact AWS support for account recovery. Do not attempt credential guessing. Keep one recovery option active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.